Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200. In this video I'll show you how to remove ads. In order to remove ads on your smartphone, firstly you can go to Play Store and now you can search for any ad blocker. Download it and install. Next, you can go to Settings, Privacy, Ads, and here in Ads Privacy you can disable ad topics, app suggested ads, and ad measurement. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.